In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your account in a browser, find the video you want, and save it safely to your computer. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, search for WhatsApp Web and make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code displayed on the page. If anything looks suspicious, close the tab and try again to avoid phishing pages. Next, connect your WhatsApp account. On your phone, open WhatsApp and use the option to link a device, then scan the QR code shown in your browser. If you see alternative sign-in options on the page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and use the method you're most comfortable with. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection while you do this, since WhatsApp syncs messages from your device. If the QR code won't scan, brighten your phone screen and move closer to your monitor for a clear read. Once you're logged in, give it a moment for your chats to load. You'll see the same conversation list that appears on your phone. If it seems slow, check your internet connection or refresh the page. Your messages and media will begin to sync, and you can interact with them right from the browser. Now, open the chat that contains the video you want to save. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find a contact, group, or keyword related to the video. When you find the message with the video, click it to preview if needed and wait for the thumbnail to load completely. Look for the download icon, which appears as a small downward arrow. It may be on the video thumbnail itself or next to the file name, depending on your browser layout. Click that icon to start the download process. When the download prompt appears, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. If your browser saves files automatically, it will likely go to your Downloads folder. You can rename the file for easier organization, then confirm to begin saving. Wait for the download to complete, and then open the file from your chosen folder to make sure it plays correctly. If you run into issues, try reloading the chat and downloading again. And as always, respect the sender's privacy and only save content you have permission to keep. That's it. Simple, quick, and done entirely in your browser.